So when I travel around Thailand and Chai, and I'm looking at all the different tea shops in Mae Hong Son and Mae Salong and Chiang Mai and Doi Pui and places like this, and I try the different teas. The teas that I'd been tasting were Oolong 12,
Right.
and now this is a different type of Oolong. Is that right?
Yes. This is the Oolong number 17. It's a younger from number 12. But for example, like number 12 is like the father or the man. And number 17 is like the woman or the mother. The man stronger, so like number 12, it gets stronger since when you drink, it gets stronger. And when you grow into the field, in the land, you don't have to take care very good. It's already grown by itself. But number 17, it's a very weak, like a woman. It's weak. So you need the extra care.
Right.
Yeah.
And so far as caffeine and polyphenols and things like that, is this any different?
Yes. Uh, Actually, this one with the scientists in Taiwan, the experiment with the number 17, they say that it has about 98% of polyphenol and it has a 0.5% of caffeine. But number 12, it has a 15% of caffeine. So that's why it gets a stronger kick.
And the polyphenol in
It's
the
about
112?
65, yeah.
Wow. So it's a very different composition.
Yes.
And the polyphenol, the grade of the polyphenol, what is that? How does that make you feel?
That the gradients make it you feel smoother and make you feel relaxed.
Calmer.
Right.
Right. You know, I've heard that the polyphenols are very good for third eye and meditation.
Oh, yeah.
Is there any truth in that? Or?
I think that I have to tell all the science and the people who want to know, they have to go look for it.
And if they drink it, they can tell.
Right.
So you can't sell it to a banker unless they can feel it.
Right.
So they have to
Right.
try it and they have to taste it, and then if they feel something, then they can appreciate it.
Yeah, just like I tell a lot of people, I can talk all day long, but when you drink the tea and you don't feel anything right, what I tell them is worthless.
Right.
But I can tell just one or two words. But when they drink the tea and the tea talk to them, that's the
Then they feel it.
right.
And you know, I've been drinking this tea for a few months now, and I notice a difference. When I drink this tea, I don't get the jitters, but I feel calmer, and the chatter. You know, when you're doing a meditation or something, it's easier. You can get into that mode. It's just easier to be there.
Right.
And I've noticed that. But anyway, is there something here you want to show us on the tea leaves?
Yes. This is almost good to pick like this. Okay. When it go 1, 2, 3, 4, it need another leaf,
Right.
and it's perfect to pick because when it get into 5 leaves, you pick 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3, and about like this, you pick like this, and you leave 2, but this one's a little bit young.
Right.
Yeah, so you leave 2. This was very important. You gotta have it like this. This is a true green. When you pick 1, 2, 3, and about like this.
Right.
The name of green tea, it's a very, very popular. It's a very strong word, and people was looking for, oh, green tea, green tea. But the truth is that green tea is, you pick a green like this, and it has water, it has a polyphenol in here, it has a caffeine, it has a bitter in here. So you have to take off the water and the bitter out.
The bead.
When you taste it, it's very bitter.
Oh, bitter.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, you got to take that out and save the polyphenol in here. So make it dry. And when you broom it, it come back green, the same. And you got the water yellowish green.
Right.
That's a true green tea. Green tea is the way we make it. Green tea means non-fermentation. So you pick a green, and after you broom the leaf, go back to 3 leaf and 1 bud like this. This is a green tea. good.